let it be, right? That part of the song would be called a chord progression. So how the songs go in a particular order, the chords go in a particular order, that's the progression. So I could play it like this.
What on the mountain night, not a footprint to be seen. Kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows.
So see, when you're playing with your hand, how your wrist is turned out like this? Don't turn your wrist out. Keep your thumb anchored to the 6th string. And then all you got to do is flip the index finger. Also, don't let your index finger be higher than your thumb. So Maddie, it looks like you're doing this. See how my index finger is higher than my thumb? I'm going to push it back so that my thumb is higher than my index.
Okay.
The farther away your thumb is from your index, the easier this is to do. Yes, totally.
Arpeggio. I don't know.
Correct. This is an arpeggio. Right? And this is a chord. Do you want to know why guitar is the best instrument ever?
Why?
Because you can take it anywhere.
Oh.
It plays more than one note. See, on violin sounds really pretty, but if you only heard violin by itself, you wouldn't care. Because it's not a chordal instrument. You have to have a piano or something behind it playing. But look, guitar, I can sing a song and you think there's a bunch of people singing with me. This song.